Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach nuclear physics lesson, page number 85, solve problem 6.1. Okay. First, everybody want to know alpha particle, beta particle, then hydrogen and neutron. Okay, so helium 2 4, this is a alpha particle, 2 proton and 2 neutron. Okay, alpha particle, that is helium 2 4. So the next electron, how to write the electron? No, E, negative charge, so -1 0. The next hydrogen, how to write hydrogen? H 1 1. Neutron, N 0 1. Helium 2 4. Electron -1 0. Hydrogen 1 1. Neutron 0 1. Okay, first you want to learn these particles. Okay, helium, electron, hydrogen and neutron. Now see the problem. Identify A, B, C and D from the following reaction, nuclear reaction. So the first problem is Al 1327 plus A gives P, phosphorus 1530 plus B. So the question is Al 1327 plus A gives phosphorus 1530 plus B. You want to identify that compound A and B. You want to find A and B. Okay, so first aluminum is a reactant, phosphorus is a product. First you want to find that compound. Okay, see the reactant side, top and bottom number is that is atomic number and mass number, aluminum atomic number and mass number. Okay, so first you count that top 27, bottom 13. Okay, left hand side only 27, 13 is there. Then arrow right side, that is product side 30 and 15. Okay, so the next you want to equalize that number, both reactant side and product side. Okay, so compare 27 and 30, you want to equal both side 30. So how many number you need to equalize to 30? 3. Okay, so here 3. So see the bottom 13 and 15. So we need only 2. Okay, so listen carefully. So on the top, so 3 number means what particles will come? So we studied helium 2 4, then hydrogen 1 1, neutron 0 1, electron -1 0. So 3 number is not there. So we can write helium 2 4. helium 2 4. Now you add 27 plus 4, 27 plus 4, 31. So the reactant side now value is 31, but that side only 30 is there. Okay, so that side product side we need 1. So the reactant side bottom 13 plus 2, 15. 15 equal there. So here top we need 1, bottom 0. So the particle is neutron, N01. So the question, listen. Al 13 27. You want to find the second compound. Gives phosphorus 15 30 plus B compound. You found we found here helium 2 4. Here neutron 1 0. Now add that bottom 13 plus 2, 15. Here 15 plus 0, 15. Top 27 plus 4, 31. Here also top 30 plus 1, 31. Have you understood? Okay. See the second problem. Magnesium Mg, down 12, top 24 plus you want to find B, gives sodium 11 24 plus compound C. You want to find B and C. First what want to do? So reactant side and product side you count the atomic number and mass number. Okay, so here top that 24 only there. So reactant side 24, the product side 24. Don't change anything. Okay, see the reactant side bottom 12, here 11. Okay, so here 24 no problem at all. Okay, so that B compound here B compound that 24 equals. See that neutron 12, but that side 11 is there, 1 less. Okay, so that side here this product side 1 less, so we can write 1. So it is equalized now. So 1 down means it will come hydrogen 1 top also will come. So here 24 plus 5, sorry 24 plus 1, 25. Now here change 25, but that side 24 only there. Okay, so on the top one means that is neutron 0 1. 24 plus 1, 25. Down 12 plus 0, 11 plus 1. So the compound question Mg 12 24 plus we want to find that one. We found neutron 0 1 gives sodium Na 11 24 plus hydrogen 1 1. Now you count 24 plus 1, 25. Here 24 plus 1, 25. See down 12 plus 0, 12. 11 plus 1, 12. Now equal in reactant side and product side. Now see the third question. Uranium 238 92 plus B want to find gives neptunium 93 239 plus D. Okay, so see the top 238 239 here 238 reactant side, product side 239, then reactant side 92, product side 93. Okay, reactant side here one want to add product reactant side on the top and bottom want to add 1. Okay, so how we will do? Here we want to add one top one means that is hydrogen. Sorry, top one hydrogen also possible. Okay, so we want to find the D compound also. Only B compound means we can substitute hydrogen 1 1, but we want to find the D compound also. So here on the top 1 means hydrogen or neutron. Okay, so here what will come? Neutron 0 1. So 238 plus 1 239. Now okay, so see the bottom 92 0. So left side 92 only, right side 93 is there. So D compound is what is there? Top 0. Top 0 means what is the particle? Electron. E minus 1. Okay, 93 minus 1 92. Uranium 92 238 plus N01 gives Np 239 93 plus electron minus 1 0. Now count the top 238 plus 1 239. Here 239 plus 0 239. See the bottom 92 plus 0 92, but here 93 minus 1 92. Now the reactant and product sides are equal. So that problem is question number 6.1.